Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable USB debugging on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on about phone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on the OS version a few times until you enable developer options. Now once you enable developer options, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on developer options. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, you can enable USB debugging. Now from here, tap on I am aware of the possible risks. Now just wait a few seconds and tap on OK. And this is how you can enable USB debugging on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.